Hi, I'm Mark Cici, cluster champion of Inside the Black Box. Our cluster is essentially about reducing the complexities involved with working on multi-dimensional design data sets. So the intended output is to exhibit several permutations of varying design strategies of a high-rise tower to cast that into a three-dimensional virtual reality design space that will allow the user to work with a VR headset and kind of explore in 3 dimensions all these different design variables and strategies from a different perspective. Today we've been focused on basically defining what those variables are that define a design, as opposed to getting into the nitty-gritty of developing the three-dimensional VR space. We're focusing more on the actual design, what it looks like, what variables are in play that define how the building actually looks.
My name is Alton Byrne, and I'm from the Daniels faculty at the University of Toronto. It's going really well. It's really coming along. I think we have a really interesting team with a lot of different skill sets, so we're kind of doing some fabrication, we're doing some computer coding, and also a lot of design itself. So kind of a lot of things going on at once. It's really exciting. It's exciting to see actually the virtual space of the code coming together with the actual 3D printing fabrication, and how those two worlds relate to one another is really kind of the key research questions of our cluster. So it's only just the beginning, but of course it's starting to yield some pretty exciting results.
My name is Jason Heinrich. I'm an architect and engineer with Dialog. Today we have a lot of different tasks going on. Most of our cluster is working on generating tower scripts and generating performance metrics, so how do we analyze these towers? And then we have a few of our team members working on how to move that information over to Unity, where we'll do the machine learning and the visualization. So then we also have team members working on that as well. And it seems like we're on track. This is my first time in Smart Geometry, and yeah, the breadth of work here is staggering. I had an idea of what machine learning could do, and the things I'm seeing it being applied to is blowing my mind.
I'm Jason Masters. I'm with Dialog, architecture and engineering firm.
My name is Barrett Kuntz. I'm a structural engineer with Dialog.
Right now, I'm trying to help everyone get our virtual reality environment set up. So trying to make sure that we can actually look around our virtual models and virtual buildings that we're generating.
We're using the VR to kind of visualize and explore our 3D design space in a different way that you can't really see on a 2D monitor. What it's kind of viewing in the VR is also what we're printing in 3D, so it's kind of, there's a relation between the two. They're the same data, just presented in a different way.
I always love coming here and seeing, getting to meet people from across the country and across the world who are similarly minded and take similar approaches to, approaching architecture and engineering, and it's really nice to see everyone.